Ayuban, Sri Lanka. Kithul, the heart of Sri Lankan tradition. In this documentary, we'll take you on a journey to uncover the timeless customs and practices surrounding the cherished Kithul tree in Sri Lanka. Join us as we explore the unique role this tree plays in the lives of the Sri Lankan people and the age-old traditions that have been passed down for generations. Let's dive into the essence of this remarkable tree and the cultural significance it holds for the people of Sri Lanka. The Sri Lankan Kithul tree, scientifically known as Caryota urens, is a species of palm tree native to Sri Lanka and other parts of South Asia. It is valued for the sweet sap, known as toddy, which is collected by tapping the tree's flower stalks. This sap can be fermented into an alcoholic beverage or used to make various products like jaggery. The tree has a tall trunk, large pinnate leaves, and can grow up to 20 meters (66 feet) in height. It is an important economic and cultural plant in Sri Lanka. Kithul honey, also known as Kithul sap, is a sweet and natural nectar collected from the Kithul tree, Caryota urens, in Sri Lanka. This traditional delicacy is carefully extracted by skilled tappers and has been a part of Sri Lankan culture for generations. It is a key ingredient in various local dishes and sweets, known for its unique and delightful flavor. Beyond its culinary uses, Kithul honey holds a special place in Sri Lankan culture, symbolizing the heritage and bringing people together to savor the essence of tradition. Natural Kithul honey juice provides Kithul honey, a unique and delicious sweetener. This honey is rich in flavor and often used in cooking, baking, and traditional Sri Lankan dishes. It's known for its cultural significance and potential health benefits when used in moderation. To order Kithul honey, please call the number displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching the video, and we hope you enjoy the natural sweetness of Kithul honey.